ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kementeri Kebakmi Yakatran Garab Karyang Haka Arpu Astrik Naitung Arja Apsau. Kalaitu Badaladihi Kamla Ban Shimrai Marway Halor Jimpun Snow Jong Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People. Bat Kamiglia Trader Fresh Vegetables and Ginger Association. Kibala Karpa de Sorkar Ban Punmi no Naga Road Delivery Chalan Kanang Ban Play Nong Kai Marab Naga Jinkrong Pisabi Ain Hagi Wheat Bridge. Haka Jingakran Bigla Patai Kubor Dr. Ampuri Kalaitu Bakan Sapan Jingmut Nagatrat Transport Bat Nagatrat Pulit. Balada Ngam yaga chalan ka Pulit naga jingsha khrong khajna naki marab bala pinmi naga jala kan sapan Jingmut ru wan naki autonomous district council halor kani ka kam.
They wanted a consult on the exemption of vehicles carrying vegetable produce of especially indigenous products from in and around the state. So I am not an authority to talk to them about the issuance of any challan. I am not the correct authority. So I have told them that I will again seek further advice from both the Transport Department and the Police Department on this matter, because I am not an authority to discuss this. And if any challan or exemption of any challan has to be initiated in the state to exempt our indigenous produce from our farms, then I need to be properly advised on this matter. And we also need to seek the advice of the district council, because at the end of the day, it is the district council that will be also lending us whatever support and suggestion. So very clearly, I will seek for a consult, and I have told them that yes, it is important that we assist both the farmers and the traders of farm products to organize it in a proper manner so that all parties prosper collectively. This is something that the government has to do. We are anyways deciding to initiate the review of our marketing boards and their functioning. Right now we have one marketing board, which is a centralized board. We need to decentralize this also and make sure that we have marketing boards all districts. We are now looking at the initiation of prime hubs. Now prime hubs are to be a unanimous decision taken by farmers and sellers. We'll sit, we'll discuss, and at every district, let this collective representation be formed by the stakeholders themselves in the respective districts. Because if we have to even decide about minimum price support, we don't even have a system in place in the state of Meghalaya. So if you have to do something, you initiate a proper discussion, initiate a proper dialogue, and all voices should be heard. It is not a domination of just one voice. And we are concerned because at the end of the day, both the farmers and the sellers or the traders are our own indigenous people only. That there should be exemption of toll bridge challans of these producers. Let's find out if it's possible. Well, ma'am, the Minister of Agriculture is not the authority for such reports. We don't have the authority. If any such allegation is there, they should all be routed through proper channel. Minister should only listen how best can we better the business of both the farmers as well as the traders. It cannot be a one-sided representation. Everybody will be given an opportunity. And one should not forget that we have the district council also who has stake in this matter. Government will not be able to take decision about these matters without proper consultation. I have assured them a consultation. Let me first be educated on this matter myself. I am not aware of the complexities around me. I am beginning to understand them. But I need clarity. And I will sit with the Honorable Deputy CMs, both of them, to be further guided on this matter. I'm not saying helping them or not helping them. I'm saying there is a problem. We have to be seized of the problem first. They have met with the two deputy CMs. I will also take guidance. Now that they've met me, and I have been hearing that there is this big gap between sellers, traders, buyers. So we will see, we will figure this out. I am just at the initial stage of calling all stakeholders on board. Let me first get properly briefed. Then I will call them again sometime before the Independence Day. Let us see where it reaches first. Let me first get the correct uh, indicators before I decide. I'm not the authority. We are not a challan issuing agency. We are simply taking care of farmers' welfare. It's the fact that they sat with both the deputy CMs who had asked them to then meet me. And I had very clearly said that we are not an authority for decision of waivering of any weighbridge for any group of individuals. I can only appraise myself. I will sit for the meeting and I will also call the district council. That I have told them we have to make sure that this entire concern for welfare of farmers is addressed, which is the department I hold, and I'm willing to do that. I cannot operate single-handedly on this matter. Like I told you, transport is under the purview of another department. Police is under the purview of another department. And government will have to take a collective call. I am simply going to initiate a discussion to see whether that will be possible or not. What is the kind of challan that is also circulating in the market today? I am unaware of. I only know that the district council also has a law. They've enacted an act. We cannot step on jurisdictions of the government, whether at the district council or at the state government. Make sure we're all on the same page, and I will do just that. And I will brief them accordingly. You not jump the gun. Nothing can be decided. It's not me who will decide who's the authority for a challan of any matter. I am not the authority. But yes, if it affects my farmers and their income, it is my duty to make sure that I initiate the correct approach, which is what I'm willing to do. Let me first get proper briefing from my seniors in the cabinet and we will take a call collectively. Farmers Commission is a commission which predominantly focuses its attention on scientific and innovative interventions in order to better not only markets for farmers but also gives them the commission engages in active research oriented work and advises the government accordingly. We also have the farmers board. We have also the marketing board. Marketing board is what engages directly on sale and marketing of products and producers. So let us see how best we can work. Somebody has brought it to my attention that there is a certain problem, and like all times, I'm willing to see and find out whether we can sort it out. That is the role of the government. Now, this is a policy decision. We are elected representatives of the people of the state of Meghalaya. It is our duty to be seeing what are the things that need to be instituted, and I'm willing to do just that. If it has never been done in the past, let's do it. But we should not tread on anybody's authority. There should not be duplicacy of authorities also. We are one state, we will speak with one voice. They brought it to my attention and I'm simply carrying it over from there.